Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the ignition switch and the ignition housing on this 2009 Ford Focus without taking off the steering wheel. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, comment below, really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do here is take out these 3 screws, one right here, and one right up in here. Those are 5.5 millimeters. Alright, now we're going to pop these 2 plastics off, stick a screwdriver or some kind of flat blade or whatever in between here, and pop them apart. This top one should just go straight up off. This bottom one, you'll release the steering wheel height adjuster, whatever, clamp, and you can finagle it down through here. I forgot, you're actually going to want to pull this down. Oop, that came fast. And then you can work this on the way out. Okay, this right here is your ignition switch. So get yourself a little screwdriver or whatever. There's a clip right here, push down. See that kind of moved out right there. And then you're going to do the same thing on this clip right here. And just push it like that. And then you'll be able to pull this out. Now there's a little bit of a trick to getting this out. Instead of just trying to pull it straight out, you'll see it's hitting right here. You need to kind of like pull it back here, and it kind of twists out like that. And when you're putting it in, same kind of thing. If you want a new ignition switch or a new ignition housing, check out the links in the description below. I'll have some links to where you can get these online. And that's about it. Hope this video is helpful. If it is, smash that thumbs up button, comment below, and thanks for watching.